I built Irog para din naman matulungan yung mga locals dito sa Dingalan. Irog kasi is a deep Tagalog word for pagmamahal or minamahal. We want our guests to feel the love and the hospitality that we are giving. Lahat ng mga events that are memorable sa buhay, we cater them in Irog.
Mga kasama at mga kalakwatsers, maliban sa events place na kung saan ay kumain tayo, nag-lunch tayo, masarap na pagkain, ay meron din silang mga accommodation dito sa Irog. Ayan, sa tagpuan ni Irog. Ito yung mga ino-offer nila: Villa Tadhana, Villa Malaya, Villa Maganda at Villa Malakas. Apat yan. Sisilipin natin yung mga rooms na yan dito. So dito yung Villa Malaya, Villa Tadhana, magkatabi yan. Good for ano yan, maraming sakit, maraming tao. Tapos dito naman yung kay Maganda at saka kay Malakas for couples, mag-asawa lang. So meron din silang events place. Ayun na, yung pinaka pavilion nila sa mga magpapakasal. Yan na talaga. So complete setup siya. Dito ikakasal, reception. Yan, kompleto na.
Where are you going? Going so fast tonight. Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life? Take a breath now. Don't hold it in too long, 'cause you might end up missing out on life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live, don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live, don't let it go. You've got one life to live, don't let it go.
Hi everyone, this is Raisa Policarpio, the owner of Irog Events Place. Dito nyo po matatagpuan sa Barangay Taragsakan, Dingalan, Aurora. We started Irog before the pandemic. It started as 2 villa and naisip ko na mag-put up ng events place kasi dito sa Dingalan wala pa masyadong events place for events, may mga celebration for birthdays. We opened before the pandemic and then yung pandemic. During the pandemic, mga staff ko, hindi ko rin sila pinatigil sa trabaho kasi actually I built Irog para din naman matulungan yung mga locals dito sa Dingalan. We train them sa housekeeping, kung paano yung makiharap sa mga tao. From the name Irog, Irog kasi is a deep Tagalog word for pagmamahal or minamahal. We want our guests, lahat po na pumupunta dito, to feel the love and the hospitality that we are giving. From weddings, birthdays, lahat ng mga events that are memorable sa buhay, we cater them in Irog. So we have the pavilion where we cater from 50 to 100 persons. We also do our catering. We have wonderful choices of food. Siyempre, kailangan dito sa Dingalan meron tayong local na sinaserve. So we serve po the tuna na mayaman ng Dingalan. I have a Kapampangan na husband. Dinala po namin yung cuisine ng Kapampangan and then turn ito sa mga local products na makukuha dito. Kung makikita nyo po sa choices of food namin is more on like meron po kaming sisig Kapampangan na must try po talaga. We have kare-kare and we have the lechon baka. From doon po, pwede kayong pumili. Also do the styling. So dito po kayo nag-events, wala na kayo po problemahin. The catering, the styling, and coordination. Meron din po kaming mga villas to cater naman yung guest and yung mismong events. We have additional 2 big villas per groups, the Villa Malaya and the
Villa
Villa
Tadhana.
Tadhana.
That can accommodate of 6 packs, and then we have a lots of amenities, complete amenities with free breakfast.
We want you to feel the warmth of our services. Pwede din kami for staycation kasi tulad po ngayon is like rainy season for the villas, and we offer also rainy season discount for 20% discount.
Yes.
So we were inviting everyone na pumunta po dito sa Dingalan, Aurora. Magtatagpuan sa Barangay Karagsakan ng Irog. You can contact our numbers
At 0998-567-2494. Our Facebook page is Irog Events Place.
and we also have our website, Irog Events Place.
www.irogEventsplace.com.
At nakarating din tayo dito sa Giliw. Ang Giliw ay property din na may-ari ng Irog. Ayan, yung isang may-ari nito. Siya binibining Aurora 2004 or 2005. Ayan, si ma'am. Eto, tingnan natin. Ano? Yung mga food nila, doon piniprepare sa baba, doon sa pinanggalingan natin. Tapos ito, parang accommodation lang ito. Pero mas presko dito kasi nasa paano na siya ng bundok. Ayan. Hopefully, maipakita ko sa inyo sa pamagitan ng drone yung place na to. At ma-enjoy nyo, makita nyo. Okay, so libutin natin to at continuation to ng ating pagbisita sa Irog, Tagpuan Irog, and then nasa Giliw na tayo.
Kapag naka-check-in po kayo sa Irog, you have free amenities,
access.
Free access sa Giliw Resort and Spa.
Which is another property. Agiliw Resort and Spa is how many? 6 bedroom. It's actually a Airbnb. Pwede po doon group.
Can accommodate of 20 packs po yun.
So, it's ano po, Airbnb. So, pwede silang magluto doon. And yung amenities namin doon is we have our batis na pwede sila doon maligo.